So, hello guys again. Hello. So, I hope I'm audible here. Yes, I am audible. This is showing signs. So, yeah, I am here to show you guys my another project that I've built. This is a mini decentralized exchange. It is not a very big kind of exchange like Uniswap or Aave. No, it is not. Since I have just created it for just as a mini project, like just to understand the logic behind decentralized exchanges. That's why I've just created it. So it doesn't have any fee and it doesn't have any LP tokens, that is liquidity provided tokens. So this is quite a simple project. But yeah, it made me understand how decentralized exchanges work. So this is the code here. You will find it under the description. You will find the GitHub link of this in the description. So this is the website. Okay, this is the D app that I built. I've connected my account here with MetaMask. You can see my MetaMask here. This is the MetaMask. So I have initialized this a whole D app with some balance, that is reverse balance and Shunataka balance. Yeah, the name of two tokens, one is reverse and another one is Shunataka. Yeah, the name was suggested by one of my friends. Yeah, I know it is a very funny name, but yeah, it is a quite good name, I have to admit. So yeah, this is where I can add liquidity. Okay, let's see. I have this much of balance here in reverse and this much of balance in Shunataka. Like if I want to add more, let me show you how the swapping is actually working. Like if it is working or not. Like if I press one here, I have this much. I can get this much of Sonat Taka. Like one reverse equal to this much of Sonat Taka. You can see here. Like if I do vice versa, if I do one Sonat Taka, then it is equal to 9.99 because that is the calculation. I'll show you how it is being calculated. So yeah, so you can see the pool statistics here. This is the reverse liquidity. This is the Shunataka liquidity. So if I want to add more reverse in this pool, so I can add it. Like if I want to add another 10,000 here, one, two, three, four. Yes, 10,000 reverse here. Let's see what will happen now. Yeah, add reverse. I have to confirm it here. Another confirmation will come here. So it is agreed now. So this is the thing now. Now, if I change it here, okay, let me change it. Now, one Sonataka equal to this much. So it is working properly. Okay, because this is the ratio right now of these things. And this is my balance. You can see my balance is deducted. It is decreased. And this is the Sonataka balance. I can also add Sonataka here. Like if I want to add, you know, like I've added this, so I will add 5,000 Sonataka here. I can also add that also. Spending cap request, that is, yeah. Transaction request confirmed. I've signed it. Now it will change. Now if I do one Sonataka, it will be this much because the pool statistics has changed. Like now Shunataka has 6,000 Shunataka in liquidity and reverse has 20,000 reverse in liquidity. So that is actually how it is actually working. So let me show you the math behind it. So the math behind it is actually very simple, just that you have to modify it very much. That's all. So the decentralized exchange work on a simple concept, that is, 1 minute. Let me grab the right thing here. Yes, this is x into y equal to k. This is the whole formula here. Okay, this is the whole formula. So we actually draw a graph of this. Okay, let me see another. Let me give another one. This is the whole thing here. So this thing here will be this side of the y-axis will be token. Let's say token. Let's see. Let me get a straight up example like reverse token, and this area will be like this x-axis can be 1 minute. Yes, can be Shonaktara. So according to that formula, this formula, the graph will be like this thing. 1 minute, 1 minute. I've mistaken. 1 minute. Yeah, this one. The graph will be like this. Yes, this is the graph that we will get. So if so this is the whole graph on which the decentralized exchanges work. Like if this point is, let me change the stroke width. This is too much. So yeah, if this is, 1 minute, Control Z. Let me get the straight line. And this here is his, and yeah, this is here, and another one will be this. Okay, yeah. So if it is y-axis and this is x-axis, so we can say if this is x and this is y. Okay. If I change it, like if I add more liquidity in x-axis, then the graph will be like uh, this and another line this. Yes. Now I've changed it. Okay. Now how much have I changed? That is the question. So that is how the swapping works. Like I've added this much of x, so how much of a y will be deducted? This is the whole concept. That is like that will be like if this is dx amount, 1 minute dx, and this and deducted amount is dy, then the formula will be like x plus dx into y minus dy equal to k. So we can also show it like x plus dx into uh, y minus dy equal to x into y. This is the whole formula. So we do some manipulations in this form. So from here we can get this dy and we can get this dx also. So we generally work on dy. We work on getting the dy. So we can get the value of dy from this, and this is how the whole concept of swapping works. So I hope you understood what I've just told you. And this is my mini project. Let me know your honest feedback. Thanks.